Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Emirates Airlines Support. So follow these detailed steps to contact Emirates Airlines Support using the Emirates web app. The first thing you need to do is launch your browser and go to the Emirates official website at emirates.com. Once you get into the Emirates website, just follow through the on-screen prompts to either create a new account or to log in using an existing account. Now, once you're signed in, navigate to the Help tab. On the Emirates homepage, just locate the Help tab, which is in the top menu. Click on that, and once you click on that, it's going to direct you to, it's going to display this option. That's a drop-down menu. Help and contacts, changing accounts, and a couple of things there. So just go ahead and click on Help and Contact. Now, what you need help with, of course, it takes you to the help desk where you can now request your assistance. On the home page, you see a list of common assistant topics, such as flight information, you have baggage issues, you have booking issues, you have special requests, you have complaints or feedback, and a couple of things. So just go ahead and enter the topic of what you need help with and click on search, or go ahead and explore any of these relevant options that are related to your search. Now select the most relevant option, like I said, which matches your issue. But then if your query is not resolved at the help section, you can just scroll down to the bottom of the page to locate the contact us section. So under this, you have several options which include the live chat. So for this live chat, you can just click on start live chat, and with that you can get instant assistance using the chat bot. Then you have the phone numbers, which is on the general queries. So Emirates provides specific customer service phone numbers based on your location. This is the one for Nigeria. Now this can be found here in the contact us page. Of course, you have additional notes. So now you have contact us worldwide, and you have more. So you can just click on more to find out more options. You can also contact them on social media. So just scroll the way down and you find all of this. So these are all the social media platforms where you can reach out to them on. And that's it. So to use a live chat, just go ahead and click on the Start Live Chat, and a pop-up window will appear where you can enter your query and begin a real-time chat with an Emirates customer service representative. But if you prefer to speak with someone directly, you can just find the phone number based on your country or region from here and dial the number to speak with a support agent. Now, if the issue requires time or more time or detail, you can just use the social media platforms which are under the screen, and you send the messages through their social media platforms. And that way you have successfully learned how to contact Emirates Airlines Support through the Emirates web app. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.